Hello and welcome to another video here on Bitcoin for today. So I wanted to look at the Bitcoin chart and just see what happened today in today's trading. And so I think in the last video we were back in this range, and it looks like Bitcoin has pulled back some, and looks like it pulled back to kind of this purple resistance level here at like 26.22. And then is now kind of bouncing off that and moving back up. So we still have this big resistance level at 25.50 that, you know, we could have a pullback here and test that before moving higher. But it looks like it's sort of tested the purple level and is looking to bounce back. So that's a good sign. There's only 13 minutes or so left in this candle to close, so it looks like it's going to be somewhere around there. So not a whole lot going on. I guess this could have been a kind of a good entry. I always try to kind of time my buys to this purple line if possible. So you know, people could buy in at this level, but the main thing is just to make sure it doesn't kind of fall below this this cloud level. But the real thing that happened today was there was a bit of people are calling it a flash crash in Ethereum. And so it looks like for some reason Ethereum went down to trade at $13 a coin, and then, you know, shot back up and kind of recovered back to this $300 level. And there were kind of some articles just on some sort of problem with like a coin offering, but you know, not exactly sure why. But that is just crazy. I mean, imagine if you could have gotten Ethereum for $13 a share, and then it trades back up at, you know, 300. That would just be insane. So yeah, for some reason it sold off here. That was quite bizarre, but it does kind of make me a little bit hesitant of investing a whole lot into Ethereum, because I think that, you know, these kind of kinks just need to kind of work themselves out, and eventually this will, I'm sure, kind of the volatility will settle down a little bit. But these things are so new that, you know, little things come out and just swing the price so much. So it could be really good, but it could also be, you know, kind of bad. So also, I'm so excited. I wanted to share with you guys, I got a payout from my 1 terahash Bitcoin hash rate. And so the payment was exactly, I mean, it varies very slightly each day, but it was basically 5 times my current power before, and, you know, just upgrading to the 1 terahash 5 times over the 0.2. It looks like it's a 1-to-1 factor there, so that was really cool. There's no kind of lag as it scales down. It's just a kind of a same factor. So was able to get, you know, basically do 5 days of previous mining in today's payout. And so I estimated that I'm going to get my first actual transfer. I believe it's going to be on the 24th, in 3 days. So I kind of am thinking about, you know, upping either my Bitcoin or possibly opening this Monero contract, but I really want to wait until I actually get a payment, because, you know, for all I know, this could be kind of a scam, and I've already put some money into it. So I just want to make sure that, you know, I'm getting my payouts as it says, and there's no issues, even though, you know, I can see on here that I've been, quote, paid out, but, you know, like I say, it hasn't transferred any coins to my accounts yet. So as soon as it does that, and I know it's kind of working, then yeah, I may look at kind of upgrading, but I just want to hold off for now until I can confirm that. So anyway, I really like this website, and I think in the long run it's going to be a good way to go. But just, you know, sometimes you have to be a little cautious about things, and not just jump in like without fully understanding it, or without something going wrong. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to cover. Just crazy that Ethereum would have crashed that much today. So hopefully it'll recover, and it won't be too big of an issue. But that's all I've got. Talk to you guys later.